Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Everything Technical. This is Deepak. So now in this video we will see how we can connect the database to from our local by our local, how we can take the access of RDS database. In my previous video I have seen like how we can create the database in AWS, but now if we want to take the access of that RDS of that database through our local computer or some other applications, if we want to use that, and by using that application, we if we want to take the access, and also yeah, how we can take the access and all these information we will see in this video, as well as we will see how we can create the snapshot of that snapshot of the database if we want to create a manual database and manual snapshot of the database. So we will see all that in this video. So before I started, I want you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel Everything Technical. So please do subscribe, and also please press the bell icon to get the new video notification. And if you have any query, any suggestion, if you are stuck somewhere with related to the database, so please do comment below the video, so I'll definitely help you out. So let's start with the video. So this is the database. As previously in my previous video you have seen like how we can create the database in AWS inside the RDS service. So how we can database service, how we can create the database. So as previously we have created the database in the name of Deepak, so I have created this database. So this is get created, and now I'm getting the endpoint. This is the endpoint URL. As a basically you can say this is the host name. Now I want to take the access. So before that, just check it out the VPC. In the previous video I already shown that like how we can add the IP address, how we can allow the port with the IP address. So I'll go with that. So here I'm in the security group, so you can see this is the security group. I'll click on the security group, and after that you will get these options, all these information about the security group. And down the side you will get the edit inbound rule. So in inbound rule you will get the option for, like, before that this was not there. So you can go ahead and add the, instead of using all traffic, just use the requirement traffic. You can you can also like secure your database. So that time I'll use my IP address, so I'm using my IP address. So what I did, through this IP address, what is my IP address currently, so with that IP address I can take the access of that database, like that database, like previously what database we have created, and that database is going to be accessible through this IP address only. So make sure like you can create these all the information for the security purpose. You can do all this information. So I'll go ahead and I'll save this. So I have saved this. Okay, so I just saved the security group. Now I'll go to the database. So in RDS I'll go, after clicking on that I'll go to the dashboard, RDS dashboard. So inside the dashboard I'll go to the DB instance. So here we have a DB instance. I got the DB instance. Here I'll get the endpoint URL. So I'll copy this URL. Okay, now I have copied this URL. I want to take the access of this database. So how I'll do that, I'll use the command MySQL -h. So already I have informed that like I have already give the information how we can take the access. So here the master password, so here it will ask for the password, so I'll put the password to get the access of the database. So now you will see I can take the access of my database using these things. I'll use the command MySQL -h, the URL hostname -u username -p password. So using that I can take the access. Right now I'm not able to take the access, maybe something. Again I'll try without doing anything. I'll just try one more time. Okay, so you can see like before that I just configured the inbound rule. That's why maybe it was taking time. So right now I am able to take the access. So I'll use the command, query databases. So there is databases. So you can use the database, use MySQL, you can create the database. Create database. In the name of, I'll create the database in the name of UV. I have created a database. Now I'll check again the database. So database, there is UV. I'll use the query as I use UV. So that means I have just used the database as a UV. So in that, like, this is the information how we can take the access of the database. So basically I have taken the access of my database. If you are using any GUI based application to take the access of the database, so I have one database, GUI, that's called MySQL. This is the application. By this application I can take the access of the database. So how I have to take the access of the database? So here I'll put the name. Oh, I'll paste. Yes, it is working. So here I have to just give the database name, sorry, username, username, and the master password. So I have created the password. I'll go ahead and I'll open. So you can see using this also GUI application you can take the access. Yes, I'll go ahead. So you can see what database I have created right now. I'm able to see this. I'm just, while you'll click on that, right now just you have to do the information, like take the information from the Google how you can use this application. So using this option, like using this particular options, you can take the access of the database. So this is the option, you can take the access of your database, how you can take the access of your database. So in this video you have seen this, and now the time is to take the snapshot of this database. So I'll go into the snapshot. So there is one snapshot is already available, so I'll go ahead and I'll delete this action, delete snap. You can't delete the system snap, so I'll just leave it for now. I'll go to the dashboard, and again I'll go to the instance. I'll click here and I'll go to the action. So here there is a replica, read replica. If you want to create, there is many more things. I'll shoot the video on this topic as well. So here you can take this snapshot. So after clicking on snapshot, just put the name of the snap. So here I'll put test snap. So I have given the name of the snapshot as a test snap. So it is getting created. So how you can create this? So you can see this is how you can create this snapshot. So in my next video I'll show you. So this is the video. Basically this is the video how you can take the access of your database if you have created a database in AWS. So using the option you can create the database, and also how you can create the snapshot. So you have seen how you can create the snapshot in of your AWS database. So yes, AWS RDS database. So this is the video. Hope you like this video, and please share this video with your friends, families, whoever like interested to take the information, take the knowledge, and who is working, maybe that this video will help to them. So, and also please do subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is my channel, Everything Technical. So please do subscribe, and thank you for watching.